Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here long chain compound is given which contain alcohol which is stereochemically behind the plane and it has alkene and acid. The acid is in conjugation with alkene, alpha beta unsaturated acid. You have to find the configuration of the compound. Here the problem in the blind side. Configuration means always everybody thinks R and S, but here alkene is there. You should know E and Z configuration. So first let us go with chiral carbon. Chiral carbon find the priority. Alcohol gets first, alkene second, and side chain third, hydrogen least one. Hydrogen is front side but should be on back side. So the configuration is reverse, yes. Then you should go with alkene. You have to find whether it is E or Z, that is cis or trans. Here it's a trans category because high priority groups are in opposite side, so it will be E there. So the configuration will be 2E and 4S. The concept you have to learn here is always the configuration represents cis and trans as well as R and S. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.